Hi, good morning. I'm at the Bangalore International Exhibition Center. I'm representing EM Efficient Manufacturing magazine. And I have with us today Mr. Vishwas, who's from Rashi Group. And I'd like to welcome you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
So, as we discussed yesterday, you have a lot of exciting things that are coming up. I'd like to know some of the things which are, going to be very, very accessible for general public and on the safety lines. If you could throw some light on that.
So, as you know, everybody is so conscious about the safety, and especially when we talk in the automotive world, especially for two-wheelers. So, I am happy to say that our team, like Shashank, Ishwar, and few of my other teammates from engineering side, from our embedded lab, they have designed a smart helmet, as you can see here, smart helmet. So, it gives more visibility of the driver while they are driving, and it really helps to travel safely on any Indian roads, I would say, where you have to take care of all kind of obstacles, and especially the vehicles are coming in from behind, right? So I would give it to my team. They will just explain you how they have created this solution.
Yeah. So hi, this is a smart helmet demo which is gonna work via Bluetooth. So this will be connected with the one transducer from the vehicle itself. So where indicators can be connected, and as you switch through indicators, right, the indicators shift same as vehicle. Like whichever you way you done this, indicator glows. You can see. I can show you demo also.
So you're saying once you click on the indicator, this thing starts. So whoever is wearing it, if he's turning left, then the left indicator starts and the right.
Your vehicle indications, it's going to turn parallelly. So whatever like latest vehicles, EV vehicles, whatever you're seeing, so it will be directly connecting with your cluster Bluetooth. No need to do any additional add-ons, anything on that. If it is a old vehicles like IC engines, whatever we have, there also it will be simple thing like you need to have only transmitter there. So it's like a plug and play thing. Just simply can connect that, and no need to do any other wirings, nothing. So parallelly with your vehicle indications, it's going to be turned on here also. So it will be useful like when it is raining, foggy things, you'll have more indications like this.
Thank you so much. I think this was quite overwhelming, and all the best to you, sir, and your team. Thank you for this small snippet. Thank you, sir.